So let's talk about a data type in Python which is called strings. It is very much important in Python in every programming language. Let me explain a little more this. So sometimes we need a string in our program to be used. For example, string is equal to hi, how are you? Okay, this is a string. So this is a string. Let me print this. So let me print the string. Hi, how are you? This is a string. In Python programming, when we have a string, so we use double quote or a single quote. If you use single quote is also correct, or if you use a double quote is also okay. So sometimes we have a string many lines, not one line. Like how are you? What is your name? And what is your job? Let's have this a string. This is multi-line, not a single line. One line, two line. If you want to print this, will it be printed or not? Let me print this. See? Syntax error. This is a syntax error. So how to solve this? While we have a multi-line string, what we do, we have 3 double quote or single quote like this. Now if we have 10 lines, even 1000 line we can have. So now save, and again I want to print this. Exactly, it's the same which I have printed here. So now I want to talk about a function length. Let's find the length of this string. How to find this? So let's clear this length function and what, put string here, and now print this. If I want to assign this into a, and I want to print a, okay, let me print this. See, the length is a t. Yeah,